Hey guys, today I have a beauty box. I have cut it open but I haven't taken out anything, and this is from the website LM Ching. I'm gonna leave it down here. If I'm not wrong, it's a Hong Kong website. So the description says quantity 10. Let us see what's inside. I think it's a beauty box, so I think it should be a mix of like makeup and skincare products. So although I haven't looked inside, off the top I can already see like a pink and a green thing, and it looks like sponges, right? So it comes bubble wrap, and yes, let's open it up. So it comes with they're the same shape. They both have the normal beauty blender shape, but they also come with this slanted edge, so you can get right into under eyes, nose corner. Yeah, so it's a green and a pink one, and now we're going to do the squeezy test. Oh, it's a bit hard, but very nice and smooth, but a bit hard. I've had softer beauty blenders before. Okay, so next up, let's see. This one looks like toothpaste. Yeah, you can already see the teeth over there. So it's not like Hong Kong products, it's Korean products, and this is 100 grams. It's whitening care, so whitening toothpaste. So there's the card inside of the brand and the website itself, but no product information. But this seems like 67%. So the back graph seems like 67% says it worked, I'm guessing, and it already smells like a toothpaste. And if it's whitening toothpaste, it smells like mint. And you can see it isn't white in color, it's like clear gel. If it's whitening toothpaste, I'm definitely up for trying, because I drink a lot of soda and I definitely need this, so it's essential. Okay, next thing that I have, let's see some makeup products. This seems like makeup products. This is it's from all over the world. This has Thai behind it. So this is from Bangkok. And let's just open this up. So this is the Vitamin E Lip Oil. It's called Pink Magic. Mistine is the brand. And it seems like it's gonna be strawberry scented. Oh, it's not a lip oil, it's a lip balm. Wow, it smells like real strawberries. Like strawberry candy maybe. So it's probably clear. Yeah, it's just a clear glossy lip balm, but the packaging is really adorable. Next thing inside, let's see. This one is from Etude House, and it's the drawing eyebrow. So it's an eyebrow pencil, and it comes with a brush too. Yes, comes with a good spoolie. And then the other side is the eyebrow pencil. This is in shade number 5. Oh, the strawberry scent is really strong. And it smells very yummy. So this is the eyebrow pencil side. Oh, and it's one of those that's curved like a triangle shape, so it's good for like the end if you want a sharp line. Shade 5 seems like a grey shade, so let us swatch it and see how it looks. Not noticeable at all. So this is the swatch, and it's very subtle color. It will probably look better when my dark roots, black hair grow out, and then I should suit this a lot better. So this is the full amount that it comes with. Okay, next up we have a bigger item inside here. This seems like it goes along with the toothpaste, because this is Think Your Teeth Gentle Flavor. It's from the brand VT, which is a Korean brand. Seems like, is it toothpaste or is it it's also a toothpaste. It's very adorable. It has the Moomin character in front, and this is 50 grams. So if it says gentle flavor, probably it's good for kids. Probably don't smell very minty. It's blue in color, and it doesn't smell too minty. So if you don't like too minty scent, this might be good for you. I think a kid will want to use this simply because of the picture in front. So next up we have a few sachets. Let me just get them all out. Okay, so this one, the first one is called Hidden Solution. It's the Egg White Nose Patch. It's from Apieu. So it's a one-time use, and it just seems like it's for blackhead removal for the nose. And then this one is also another one from Apieu, and it's for blackhead out nose patch. It's also one-time use. And then this one is a Thai brand. This is from Neobun, or probably Neobun, menthol plaster. Okay, so the back is Thai, but luckily we can understand the Chinese in front. The funny thing is it says Ning Hao Meng, means hello dream or good dream, and it says 消炎橡皮 jiao or gao, something like that. So it's like a rubber texture, and then it helps with swelling, probably good for like pain relief. And then this one is a sheet mask, and this is a Japanese brand because it's all Japanese behind, and this is beauty mask. The brand might be Premium Puresa, and it says 28 ml. So you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and it seems like it comes with this oil, so one of the oil from a nut. It feels very watery, and it's definitely for hydration. So that's all for my beauty box. It's empty now. If you're interested in anything or you have any questions, comments, just leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!